Hello everyone, this is Sarabjit Kaur. Welcome back in your GK class. Today we will start our chapter number 39. Afterwards we will do chapter number 40 also. So chapter number 39, that is a professions and jobs. Profession, people do different kinds of jobs to earn their livelihood by which they can survive on the earth. We do different types of jobs and the things by which we can survive, those are known as professions and jobs. And those persons who do those professions are known by different names. So today we will discuss about those ones. First is geologist. So a person who studies about rocks and soils, that is known as geologist. Here you can see the picture. The next one is curator, the person who is in charge of a museum, who instructs the people, who gives the guidelines about the museums. That person is known as a curator. The next one is chauffeur. Chauffeur is a person who drives the car. We also tell them the driver, and that person is also known as chauffeur. Next one is novelist, a person who writes the novels. In English, there is one famous novelist, that is R.K. Narayana. You can see the picture, that is known as a novelist. Next one is a programmer, a person who writes the programs in computer. That person is known as a programmer. Coach, who gives the instructions how to play a game. That person is known as coach, who gives the guidelines how we can play the game. Next one is a stationer, a person who sells pens, pencil, books, etc. That person is known as a stationer. We can see that person also a bookseller. Next one is a grocer, a person who sells the vegetables, the groceries. That person is known as a grocer. That is clarified from the picture also. Next one is a collier, a person who does work in the coals. That is known as a collier. Next one is psychiatrist, psychiatrist who treats the mental disorder. The person who treats the diseases related with the mental, related with the brain. That person is known as a psychiatrist. Next one chapter is chapter number 40, that is a healthy food. For our survival, we have to eat healthy food because it is essential for us. We eat different kinds of food items in which there are different types of sources from which we get the vitamins, calciums, iron. Those are the healthy foods in which are rich with these things, the calcium, iron and vitamins. So first one is vitamin A, that is enriched with yellow vegetables and like pumpkin, carrot, papaya, milk, eggs, green leafy vegetable. If there is a lack of vitamin A, then we suffer with the disease that is known as a night blindness, where we will be unable to see the things properly. The next one is vitamin B. Vitamin B we get from the cereals, meat, eggs, sprouted seeds and green leafy vegetables. And with the lack of vitamin B, we suffer with the anemia, in which our bones become weak and our red cell doesn't develop in that one, anemia. Next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is enriched in lemons, amla, orange, coriander and guava, and with the lack of vitamin C we suffer with the scurvy. Due to it our muscles pain occur. Next one is vitamin D. We get vitamin D from the exposure of sunlight. Whenever we sit in the sunlight, then we get the vitamin D. And due to it, if we will not take the vitamin D, we suffer with the rictus problem, that is our bones become bent and soft. Next one is iron. Iron enriched foods are green leafy vegetables like palak and saag. In the palak and saag, iron is so much there. Next one is calcium. Calcium enriched foods are milk, curd and cheese. You can see from the picture also. And if we will not take these things, our bones become weak. So this is all about the chapter number 39 and 40. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box. And your work is that you have to write the things on the notebook from chapter number 40, that due to lack of this vitamin, we suffer from this thing, we suffer from this disease. This is all about, and thanks and have a nice day.